Guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the new update right here on the Xenea wallet. All right, so in case a lot of you don't know, we have been completing a couple of missions right here. For example, we have talked about the spore protocol. We have also talked about the X star. Right now it is time for us to talk about the X3 hat mission right here on the Xenea wallet app. All right, so Xenea wallet is just like Trust wallet, just that it is still evolving, but currently this is the time that you need to pack up some gems that's going to be in turn going to be converted to real Xenea wallet token, which you can then trade and make your money out of it. All right, so I've been keeping you guys up to date since the beginning, but right now it is time for us to talk about the latest update right here, which is called the Trade Hat or Hat Tray on the Xenea wallet. All right, so basically what you are required to do right here is simply to answer questions. So on this video I'm going to be giving you answers to all the questions so that you can go ahead and do it at your own side. All right, so welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic. If you are coming across our channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to the channel. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Also do well to like this video if you find it interesting, and join us on Telegram using the link right there on the video description box. All right, so with that being said guys, let's now get started properly with the video. All right, so right now guys, the first thing you need to do right now is simply go to your Play Store and download the Xenea wallet app, or make sure that your own is up to date. All right, so if it's not up to date, go ahead and update your own right there on the Play Store. So over here right now, the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your Xenea wallet, then you click on mission, then you come over here to the Hat Tray. All right, so I've made a couple of videos concerning this one. All you need to do is simply go ahead and check them right there on my channel. Okay, so what you need to do from here is simply take note of this campaign is going to be available from now, being the 16th of April, that is today. It's going to be available until the 31st of May. All right, so it's going to be available from now till the 31st of May. So basically we have a month and about 15 to 14 days to complete this task. All right, so right now guys, to get started you need to scroll down, and over here you need to simply answer quiz, follow them on Twitter, and also join their Telegram. All right, so right now let's see the amount of bonuses that we're going to be earning from here. So what you need to do for it, simply go ahead and click on start quiz right now. So once you click on start quiz, the first question is this. So you can see the first question is, what is Chatray best known for in the industry? So you don't need to stress your mentals, you don't need to stress yourself. Come over here using the link right there on the video description box, then it's going to be bringing you right here to our Telegram. You can see the answers to all the questions have been provided right here. All the answers have been provided right here. So basically the answer to question 1 is B. So you go ahead and answer it right here. The answer is B. This is it. You click on submit. Right now you're going to be given 100 points. Then you go to the next one. The answer to this one right here is C. We have C, we have A, we have triple C straight up. Okay, so the answer right here is C. Okay, we submit it. So okay, we are correct. So the next answer is A, just like I've already shown you. Then we submit it. The next one is C. Okay, we have C in 3 times. So you don't even need to read all those things. All you need to do is simply go get your answer and then come over here and answer all of them. All right, so right now guys, we have now answered the 6th question correctly. Let's go ahead and check the answers to question 7 to 10. Okay, 7 is D and 8 is B. Okay, so right now guys, we go back right now, and the question is this D. Okay, now we are correct. Okay, we go to the next one. Is this is B, right? Okay, this is B. Okay, this is B. We click on it. Okay, this is B. Then the next one is C, right? So the next one is C. Okay, so we go to the final one, which the answer is B, I guess. Okay, A. The answer to question 10 is A. So you go you go ahead and click on A, and right now, boom, we have now successfully answered all the questions correctly. All right, so right now guys, you click on continue. Okay, and you are going to be given extra 1,000 gems, all right, for answering all the questions correctly, meaning that for just answering the quiz you have gotten 2,000 gems. All right, so right now guys, you click on get more gems, and once you have clicked on get more gems, then you go ahead and click on chance to claim. You click on this one, you click on it right now. Okay, you are going to be given extra 96 gems, all right, making it 2,000 96 gems. Okay, so right now guys, you click on great job. So coming over here right now, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and then follow them on Twitter. All right, so this is going to be earning you 500 gems. Okay, so you click on it right now, you are going to be taken to Twitter where you need to give them a follow. So you click on follow right now, you are now following them. So you head back to the Xenea wallet app like this, then immediately you're going to be giving 500 gems. Okay, so you click on great job right now, then you come to the last one. This is following them on Telegram. So you click on join chat3 Telegram right now. Okay, so immediately you are going to be brought right here to Telegram. You are going to be taken to the chat where you need to simply click on join, and once you click on join right now, you will automatically added to the group. Okay, so right now what do you need to do from here? What you need to do is simply go back to the Xenea wallet, and immediately you have been given another 500 gems. Okay, so right now you click on great job. So once you have done this, then you have completed all the tasks and you have earned about 3,000 96 gems. All right, and after doing that, you now stand a chance of coming here every day to claim 96 gems. For example, coming over here to the X star, you can see I have to just click on check right now, and every single day I'm now claiming a reasonable amount of gems. Okay, so coming over here to spot protocol as well, I click on checking and I'm going to be giving some gems as well. All right, so this is all you need to keep on doing, and do not forget to always answer your Xenea wallet daily quiz. All right, so the answers are always provided right there on our Telegram. So I don't know why this is taking time to load, but basically this is all you need to know right now on the Xenea wallet app. And also your daily claim is very, very important for you to keep it lively so that all your reward will be in the great shape for you. Okay, so right guys, you click on great job right now. This is basically all you need to do right now concerning the Xenea wallet latest update, guys. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And finally, the quiz answers are going to be right there on the video description box, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very, very soon.